What's up, everybody? Today I wanted to do a little video on some mechanical drop sets that you can do. Just a fun way to help extend some sets and get maybe some more single arm volume in. As everyone knows, I'm a huge fan of single arm work. So my mechanical drop set, what I'm talking about is doing something like a 10-2. And then as you get tired, switching into 2-arm, or even just going single arm for a few reps, 2-arm for a few reps, single arm for a few reps. That way you can really build some volume with your single arm work at a heavier weight or in a challenging position, say like traditional 10-2s or something where your feet are touching. And it's a great way to be able to build some more volume in a single set without having to start over. And everyone needs to also keep in mind, as you get tired, there's no rules to any of this. You can do whatever you want to try to push things a little bit further. But anyway, I'll just do a couple example reps. So the way I like to do it with traditional stance, just because it's tougher, is I'll do 2-arm first, and then I'll start adding in the single arm swings. And so doing something like that, like this with my canteen, it weighs about 40 pounds, 41, something like that. And that's a heavier load for me to do traditional single arm 10-2. So doing it, adding in those 2-arm swings really helps me push my load or my volume in that set farther. And it's just fun. It's a fun thing to try. So if you like that, let us know, and we'll catch you on the next video.